cast your mind back to 1997, back when film cameras were still the popular item, and computers were big, bulky things like this. So, let's talk about photography. Use it to take pictures. Use something called a camera in order to take pictures. And cameras usually have a thing called film. And you take some pictures. Then you go up to a certain store or something like that. Then you go take that film, give it to the person behind the counter. Then you pay them so that they can process said pictures into a proper print. However, around this time, something new was coming onto the market: the digital camera. However, they weren't perfect. Most of the time, they weren't very good cameras compared to now, though that's not saying much. In order to get the pictures from your camera to, say, a computer, you need a serial cable, which always had problems, IRQ conflicts, etc., etc. However, there's one camera that aims to change that. The Sony Mavica FD something. I think it's FD. It's a FD73. It's a Mavica, and it's a digital camera that uses floppy disks. This one's still sealed. So, before we turn it on, let's take a tour of this thing. We got the LCD screen that's basically a viewfinder. Also a menu. Says brightness control, flash control, switch between viewing pictures and taking pictures. Effects, which is basically like negative, sepia tone, black and white, and that's pretty much it. But style picture, I think. Display, this turns like something off, and the control, which it's that. You got the zoom control, power thing, disc eject, which has a safety mechanism. On the side, we got the slot for a 3.5-inch floppy disk, 1.44 meg. Let me just open this. Ignore what it says. These are useless. However, they will now have a use. On top, we got a sticker, a shutter, and on the back we got flash, another camera, I think. Dude, I think it's it's a secondary camera. Huh, long before the iPhone 7. I don't know. And anyway, this is the proper camera with the 10x zoom lens, and also the lens cap. On this side, pretty much nothing, and on the bottom we got a battery cover, which uses a proprietary but pretty reliable. They still work. This is a lithium-ion. This is a lithium-ion battery, or it just says lithium battery. I think it might be lithium-ion. Yeah, it's a lithium battery. and it goes in. And a tripod mount. I think, and this is in here. Oh, right. And here we have a tripod mount. So, turn this thing on. It's honestly hard to film and hold something else at the same time. Ah, okay. So, see? You can go in here, go to this tool, and format the disk. Yeah. That was easy. And yes, it's a camera. You go around and you something like say that's just my pillow. It saves to the disk. It does take a little while, which is kind of a disadvantage. But anyway, here's the resulting picture according to the viewfinder. How well you're gonna be able to see that? All right. And we'll go back to camera. No, I don't want flash. There doesn't seem to be any manual focus, unfortunately, but it does work. It works rather well. Anyway, let's take this outside. This is a place you never thought you'd see me, outside. But, well, let's take some nice pictures. Oh, you can't see that. Just to break that. Oh. Yeah, here's what this thing looks like. Just taking some pictures, and I'll be back inside. Hello, kitty. Anyway, since you think it's a floppy drive, you would think it's easy to transfer from it to a PC. Well, you'd be right. All you have to do is pop this out and put it in your PC. Sorry. Alright. Anyway, let's go on. Sorry about the flickers, but I don't have a VJ capture card. Right? Got a handful of photos. And there they are. Doesn't it look lovely? Oh, because I don't have a USB floppy drive, I can't really connect it to my computer in order to show you. And this doesn't have internet, so yeah. But that's this That's this camera right here. It's a really nice camera. It's pretty neat. Wait, I just realized I just connected a floppy without closing everything up. Oops. Anyway, this is the Sony Mavica. It's a nice camera. Nice. It's a really nice thing. Anyway, I'll leave you at that.